This could have been a post, but I just thought I'll put my face in it and let you guys know what just really weird thing happened with me last evening when I was walking down in my building. So as usual, I was taking my walks, and one lady was also taking her walks, and I don't know her. She doesn't know me. I think she's a guest in some neighbor's home. So I've only seen her, including yesterday, twice. And so we were walking, and there's no hi, hello from her side, nothing, right? And then she just basically tells me, stops, looks at me, and says, the right time to have a second kid. It's a good, no, wait a minute. Let me rephrase it. She says, right, good time to have a second kid. And the person that I am, I immediately reacted to it and responded to it and said whatever I wanted to say. But she went on with her own philosophy and ideology back from, I don't know when, from the 50s or 30s or whichever year she was still living in. And then I realized that whatever, why am I even justifying or explaining it to her? I don't know her, she doesn't know me, she doesn't know how I am living my life, or what problems or good things or whatever, basically anything about my life, right? So I just decide in my head, after speaking two sentences, I decide that no, I am not. I'm just going to nod my head, and that's what I did. So I continued to just nod my head to whatever she was saying. And funnily enough, what she said was about siblings, that the kid needs a sibling, and later on, who are they going to depend on, and all of those things. Basically, the sibling thing, right? But hello, ma'am, are you going to come and help me with the second child or even the first child? Or hello, is there anyone who is here to help me with my first child? Is there anyone here to help me with my mental health or my physical health? The least I do for my physical health, even though I want to do more things in my day, the only thing probably I do for the whole of the day for myself is the walks that I take in the evening, and that too, not, I go in more for my mental health than the physical health, because my walks are not going to do everything for my physical health, but that breeze, that air, the Arabian Sea that I can see is more for my mental peace. So I had a lot of all of those things in my head, but then I realized mid the monologue that she was having that she is not here in to listen to any part of it.